Here we are,
Oh my gosh.
Sundance Ski Resort. There's Mount Timpanogos, second highest mountain in Utah. We climbed all the way up to that snow. Okay guys, look at me.
Hey.
Here we are. Sundance. Hiking to Stewart Falls in the wilderness. See this? This is Sundance Ski Resort.
That was a chipmunk.
No, that was a squirrel.
I think that's a chipmunk.
No, it's a very ferocious animal trying to eat us. No, that's a squirrel animal.
Sounds like that Chupacabra thingy or whatever.
Chupacabra?
Yeah.
Big
Something major big
dinosaur.
laying down in the grass here.
Bigfoot.
Adam,
Where?
show us your Utah mountaineering skills. Smell the grass
Wait.
and tell us what it is. Wait, I gotta get it on camera.
Oh, you get yellow grasshopper!
All right, Adam, what was it?
Let me see.
Oh, God.
I'm not sure. Hold on.
Taste it. Tastes like, what kind of poop does it? Here's our waterfall. That's our destination there. Base of Mount Timpanogos. Go through the freezing cold Stewart Falls. Awesome. Go ahead, Adam. Woo! Look at me. Yeah, don't go run. Walk.
I was walking.
No, right there, you're running. Okay, Liam, walk. Walk down here.
Oh my God!
Liam, down here. Slippery up there. All right, Rachel. Rachel. Liam, excuse me. Liam, move that way. Rachel, go. Woo! Down here, walk down here. Look at me.
My life is ruined! No, let me give you a nice big hug.
Now go, I'll let you go hold Samantha's hand and get her over there. Go on.
Sam!
Go back there. They're negotiating with Samantha. Doesn't want to do it. Adam, come through again. Adam, leave her alone. Okay. Down here. Oh, you even have the Sundance shirt on. Look at me. There's a waterfall way from the top of the mountain. comes Liam. Down here, Liam. Slippery. Look at me, Liam, stop. Yeah, I heard that. All right, now. Down here. Oh, you even have the Sundance shirt on. Look at me.